Congratulations, Ate Vine and Kuya Adrian. And hello, fam. Although sad mi karon kay wala mi din ha physically, we are with you guys in thoughts, in prayers, and we're enjoying, we're celebrating here sa kaning nga big event. Ate Vine and Kuya Adrian, they always say there's 3 rings in marriage. Engagement ring, there's wedding ring, and there's suffering. Charot! Charot lang. Part na siya sa growing up. It's not gonna be sunshine and rainbows. There's gonna be challenges. But we are very sure and we're very excited because we know you guys will rock it. And you guys will love each other forever.
Tinood na. And yeah, kay sa marriage, you can be distracted. Say kay mawa mo sa inyo priority, which is yourselves, and say na yung mga temptations. But narigi to advice na ako mahatag ninyo first kay matod pa ni Pastor Han, marriage is like a triangle with you in both of you at the bottom and God on the very top in the middle. So if you put God there all the time, as you get closer to Him, magkaduol pud mo. So if mo ninyo focus, then that would give you an edge sa mga challenges, mga problema na maabot kay problema di man ginawa sa inyo kinabuhi. And then secondly, para kang Adrian, inumdaman din mo pirmi na your wife is always right. So kana happy wife, happy life natin kanila. Amen. So di ka mo kontra kay basin masakitan na ka. So mo na. And then yeah, congratulations and good luck in this new venture of your lives. Wishing you success in your marriage and yeah, happiness.
I'm wishing for wonderful and gorgeous babies for your family as well. I'm praying that they will be a key to your family and leading you guys to success. I'd love to see your guys' family to flourish in God's glory and to grow with each other and laugh with each other and love each other for all the years to come. Congratulations, Tita Vine and Tito Adrian, and congratulations.
And we say we welcome you, Adrian. Welcome you to the family. We miss you guys. And Zia, say hi. Zia, hi. Hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Come to mama.